I had a denture in both my top and my bottom teeth, and it just really annoyed me, so that's why I considered it in the first place. I did quite a lot of research, and lots of people told me that I would need bone reconstruction. I think I saw maybe half a dozen different dental surgeries, and when I came to Pro Dental, they said that I wouldn't need it because I did have enough bone, so that made my decision really. I had the I think it's called 4-on-4 bridge, and I decided as well, although I only had, I think, one tooth missing at the top and two at the bottom, obviously as I'm getting older, I decided, right, take them all out and just give me a new set of teeth. Yeah, I feel a lot more confident. I, used to be very conscious that when I had the denture, sometimes if I got was laughing too much or something, it would come loose and pop out, and I don't have that issue now at all. So, and I feel like I can smile without being embarrassed. Yeah, it was very good. Yeah, I was completely satisfied. Everything went. Obviously, we had a lockdown, so that kind of sort of like delayed things. Oh, well, Mr. Goma treated me at first, and he was amazing. He was so kind and gentle, and having dental implants is a big sort of decision to make, and kind of a bit not what you'd expect, let's say, when you actually have it done. But he was, very reassuring and made me feel at ease. Very good. Yeah, if I ever had a query, they were there on the phone to answer it. Nikki, guided me through what choices I had, and in fact I did actually change from my original choice, which did delay my procedure a little bit, but I sort of upgraded the teeth that I wanted, and she sort of explained everything and what the differences were, and fine. Always called me for appointments to remind me that I had an appointment, so excellent service. Good products, if that's a word that I can use for what they are, and it's not 3 words, it's more than 3 words, isn't it? But good ongoing consultations. They see you regularly. In fact, I've got, now that I've had my final implants, I've got another appointment in a couple of months' time just to see if I'm happy with them. Yes, definitely.